Hi, this is Will Cook of the Will Cook Group. Welcome back to my video blog. Today we're going to talk about some challenges to getting homeowners insurance in California. Well, there's no doubt that you've seen the headlines that some big name insurance companies like Allstate and State Farm are pulling out of California altogether, or at least they're not writing homeowners insurance policies any longer. Well, nationwide, insurance companies are struggling with inflation, so that when they guarantee that they're going to rebuild your home, if something happens to it, what they're finding is that the cost of materials and labors has skyrocketed with inflation, like everything else, and they're losing a lot of money. And this is especially happening in states that are prone to natural disasters, like California, Florida, and Texas. Insurance companies that have not left the state are cherry-picking their clients to minimize risk. So they used to require no claims in the last 3 years, and now they've upped that to no claims in the last 5 years. They're also encouraging you to bundle your auto and home insurance together, which often gets you the best price. So if you're out shopping for a home, it's important that you get your insurance set up as soon as possible. And once you open escrow, you should make this a top priority. If you currently have a policy on your home in California, make sure that you don't let it lapse, because if the insurer already provided you with a notice of non-renewal, they will just cancel once that renewal expires. And it may be more difficult and costly to get new insurance. A pro tip that you might want to consider looking into is getting a much higher deductible on your homeowner's insurance. The last thing you want to do is have a bunch of small claims that eventually could lead to higher premiums and possibly no insurance at all. I would suggest that you speak to an insurance professional about this, as getting a higher deductible and saving your claims for more catastrophic events could save you a lot on premiums. Ideally, you want to work with a broker or brokers who have many options and carriers that they work with. If you need any recommendations of insurance brokers, I'm happy to share, as I have just recently gone through this process of having just been notified that my carrier of the last 10 years is leaving the state. Again, I'm always happy to help. Please feel free to reach out with a phone call, text, or an email. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.